Meet Mittens, the mastermind cat with a plan so perfect, it'll make you giggle. She's got her eyes on the prize, Tuna. But she's not just any cat, she's got a cunning scheme up her furry sleeve. Mittens observed her humans, learning the perfect moments to pounce. Her secret weapon? The irresistible allure of Tuna. With stealth and grace, she sets her plan into motion. She meows sweetly, rubbing against their legs, her big eyes pleading for just a tiny taste. And just like that, her humans can't resist. They open the can, and the tuna is hers. But Mittens isn't done. She knows the power of her charm. She strategically leaves a little mess, ensuring her humans think she's just clumsy, not clever. The next day, she repeats her act, her humans none the wiser. Each time, they fall for her adorable antics, handing over the tuna like clockwork. Soon, Mittens has a stash of tuna that would make any cat jealous. Her plan has worked flawlessly, thanks to her cute yet cunning tactics. Mittens sits back, enjoying her well-earned feast, a satisfied purr escaping her lips. After all, who could resist such a clever, adorable kitty? Mission accomplished.